Okay, I'm back here. Okay, where we at? We on this on here. We're showing 10.9. The test over here, it says low, 10.9. So let's see if it starts up. All right, let's turn it on a different way. Put the boost on him. Now we should go. Okay. Back puffed. Okay, let's go again. Now we're coming up. Not so good over there. 14. So we got that. 13. Still not showing good here. Pull the trigger. Look at that. Now we read 13. Here. Give it gas. Well, if you see, it's counting down right now. Me, myself, I think it's a battery. Look how fast it's falling off. The battery is showing, look. I think it's a battery, y'all. What y'all think? Counting down. You put it over here. It's in the high sections, and you, bam, slap it. Look. Bam. I say battery. So just to push the point harder home, this is the lithium battery, Harley-Davidson battery. It's showing 1 dot. So, and with the load tester, it's showing, you know, somewhere around about 11 volts or so. But you put the load on it, going all bad. So, but just to, as my friend would say, for shits and giggles, let's do this. Got a battery, as you see, it's been sitting on the floor. Took it out of another customer's bike a little while ago because he upgraded his battery. And so he said, hey, just switch the battery out. This battery's been sitting here on the floor for the last month. Observe. Green and green. Oh, that's backwards. Hold on. My bad. That behoove me hook the battery up right. We're on here on video camera. Okay, over here, we're showing 12 volts. Battery sitting on the ground last month. Oops. Hold on. Bad example. Make sure we got a good connection over here. Okay, here we go. See? Still in the green. Only went down to 10 volts. Pops right back to 12. So this battery actually probably was still good. A little low on the power. This lithium battery over here ain't holding a charge at all. So we're going to replace it with the Money's Car Stereo. Money Stereo installation special secret sauce battery. So we keep those on deck. So we're going to get that in there, get him going tonight. Do a little preliminary check on that. It should be good. And get some lowers work done on this one. And so, and turn that heat on because it's getting cold out here. Gotta go. Will it stand? Yeah, and we holding the button. Booyah. I believe the problem is solved. Where's car stereo? Get the seat on. It's late, but we gonna do a little something on that probably. Get these lowers on there. Oh yeah. Skylark's back. We got the rear half assembled. He's looking real good. Yeah, that part.